More than 50 countries around the world have made it mandatory to wear face masks in public spaces. And while coronavirus cases are decreasing in many of these countries, the risk of a second wave continues as economies begin to open up. This means masks are most likely here to stay. So, are masks becoming a part of our wardrobes? With different colors, designs, and messages, face masks are already becoming a medium for self-expression. Although face masks made of cloth offer a lot less protection than surgical masks or the N95 respirator, they still lower the risk of people transmitting the virus. Face masks are also being adjusted and marketed to fit into our big moments, such as this bridal store in the Croatian capital Zagreb. The high demand for face masks also provides an opportunity for businesses that took a hit from the pandemic.